Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Amazon in-store code. To begin, simply open the Amazon shopping app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, look for the 3 horizontal lines icon, usually located in the bottom right or top left corner, and tap it to reveal the main menu. From there, you will easily find and select the in-store code option. This will display your unique code, ready for use. When you are ready to make a purchase at a participating store, simply present your unique Amazon in-store code to the cashier. They will then scan the barcode directly from your phone screen. This quick scan instantly links your purchase to your Amazon account, making future returns incredibly simple. It's a convenient way to ensure all your shopping is connected. Using your in-store code offers several fantastic benefits. Firstly, it enables a seamless return process for eligible items, often without needing the original packaging or a physical receipt. All your digital receipts are conveniently stored within your Amazon app, making tracking purchases effortless. This feature truly simplifies managing your shopping and returns. Here are a few important tips for a smooth experience. Always ensure your Amazon app is updated to its latest version to access all features. Remember to keep your phone sufficiently charged, especially when you plan to use the code for purchases or returns. Also, note that your in-store code is unique to your account and refreshes periodically for security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.